Hello, welcome to another wonderful time with Chyoms. This is Learn with Chyoms. Thank you for always being here with us. We're grateful and we say thank you. Today, we're going to learn words that sound the same but have different meanings. Words in Igbo that sound the same but have different meanings. Now we're going to start with Olu. Olu. It's spelled O-L-U. This is also spelled O-L-U. But you notice that this one has a dot under it. So this is Olu. Olu. Olu means neck. Olu means neck. Then the second one is Olu because it has a dot underneath. Olu. Olu. Olu means work. Olu means work. That the work people do. Olu, work. So see that this one is Olu. This is Olu. So they mean differently, even though they have the same spelling, but they are sounded differently and they mean different things. Now we have Olulu. Olulu. Olulu means pit. If somebody digs a pit, a big ditch, some people can call it a ditch. A ditch, a pit. Olulu, pit. We have Ololo. Ololo. O. This is down. This mark says, brings it down a bit. Ololo. Ololo means marriage. That is to get married. To get married or marriage. This is Ololo. Ololo. Ololo means work. Ololo, work. So see they have all here. This all, this all. But this one is all. This is all. 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 Ololo. This is all lulu. Or lulu. All lulu. Marriage and olulu means work. Mainly people say it is handwork. As olulu somebody, as someone's handwork or what somebody does. Olulu. So we have olulu, olulu, olulu. You can see they all sound differently, even though they all have the same spellings. This is aqua. 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 Aqua means cloth. Aqua, cloth. This is aqua. Aqua, egg. All the same spelling. Aqua, egg. Aqua, cloth. Aqua, egg. Now this one is aqua. Now don't mix it up with this aqua. They almost sound the same. But this is aqua. This is aqua. This mark here goes up a bit. Like this. A little bit up. Aqua means cry. Aqua means cry. This is aqua, egg. Aqua, egg. Aqua, cloth. Aqua, cloth. Aqua, egg. Akwa, cry. Akwanwa, let's give example now. Akwanwa, that is the cry of a child. The cry of a child. Akwanwa, akwanwa, akwa, cry. So you can see that they all have the same spellings but different meanings. Now we continue, and I hope you're enjoying this little teaching, this little class in Igbo language with Learn with Chyoms. Now this is OG, OG, OJI. OG, that means dark. Or some people say OG. Some people call it as OG. OG. Most people call it OG. Dark. This is OG. OG. Kola nut. OG. Kola nut. O. 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 OG. OG. Egbe. Egbe. Egbe means gun. Egbe, gun. A gun, like a pistol or a gun, generally a gun. Egbe, gun. Egbe, egbe, hawk. Egbe, hawk. Now you see, egbe, gun, the same spelling, but this is egbe, hawk. Now, this is IGWE in 4 different meanings. This is Igwe. Now we're going to see the same spelling here around this place. Igwe and Igwe here. This is Igwe, Eligwe, it's Elu Igwe. But if you want to pronounce, cut it short, you say Igwe, Igwe, sky. Eluigwe, sky, or heaven. Could also mean heaven, heaven, sky, or heaven. This is Igwe, Igwe, crowd. Igwe. Now you can see this is Igwe, this is Igwe, crowd. But the full term is Igwe mad. Igwe mad. Igwe mad, meaning a crowd. Okay? Many people, when people gather together, a crowd. Now this is Igwe, king. Now you can see it sounds the same as Igwe here, sky. Igwe, king. So it depends on the context. Depends on what you are talking about. Because someone says, look up, and says, Lady Igwe. Say, look up to the sky. But you say Igwe as king. You say this is king, Igwe. Now you have another Igwe here. So is it Igwe, Igwe. Igwe, iron. Igwe, a strong iron. Now this is Igwe, 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 Igwe. But it depends on the context. Depends on the context of what you are talking about. So this is Igwe, iron. Iron here means iron. It could be iron, normal iron, a metal. It could also mean strong person. A strong, you call a person Igwe. That means the person is a very strong person. Maybe internally strong. It doesn't necessarily have to be physical strength, maybe internally strong or physical strength. Okay? A strong person, but also means iron, a strong iron, like as a metal. Now you have EC, EC, head, EC, head. This is easy, easy. Blindness. Ọ isi. The person is blind. Isi. Blindness. Isi. You can see that this one has the dot underneath the eyes, but this one has no dot there. Just mere eye here. And this is eye with dot, eye with dot. Isi. Head. Isi. Blindness. Now, we're going to move to the last part. Zuo. Zuo. Ọ zuo. Ọ zuola. To be enough. Zuo, that is enough or to be enough. Now, you have zuo. Zuo. Buy. Zuo. Buy. So you can see zuo, to be enough. Zuo. Buy. O. So you see them, they all have the same meaning, but the same spelling rather, excuse me, but different meaning. Zuo, zuo. Thanks for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe.